Take 3 bites with me, Lunchables edition. Whenever I have a hankering for some bad food, I get whatever I want. Today, I wanted Lunchables. I haven't had one in a long time, so I'm gonna eat me a Lunchable real quick. It looks really good. This knockoff Oreo smells good, but you already know it tastes stale. But I'm still eat it. Ooh, my mouth is watering. I haven't had a Lunchable in a long time. I need to buy some more for my kids so I can steal some. Just take 3 bites and I throw the rest away. This is how I maintain my 200-pound weight loss. Bite number 1. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Bite number 2. Bite number 3. That one was the toughest by far. And then for dessert, now follow for more tips and tricks that actually work. Don't forget to like the video and raise the roof.